In 1994, Silversea defined luxury lifestyle at sea for the first time by launching the Veranda suite. Today I'm sitting here in the modern version of this all-time classic on the Silver Moon. So why is it a suite? It is a suite because it has a full separate living room, a total surface of almost 390 square feet, and of course a wonderful balcony, plus a very large walk-in closet and bathroom. The living room of the Veranda suite is really where the luxury lifestyle at sea is most embodied. Not only will your butler serve a full dinner at your simple request, but you will be able to touch up your makeup at the makeup desk, enjoy the full inclusive lifestyle through a minibar, or every single of your desires just by dialing the 24-hour room service. And of course, it's where it starts, the balcony. The balcony is absolutely my favorite space in this suite. You can enjoy the view of the ocean every morning, every lunchtime, or of course, just in the evening sipping a drink and enjoying the company of a beautiful book. The bedroom is as comfortable as it gets, with a very, very spacious large bed which can be divided in two. And of course the walk-in closet has generous spaces which will allow even the most incredible fashionista to have more than enough space to store all of her goods. The bathroom is a particular signature of Silversea because on every single Veranda suite it offers a complete shower and a complete bathtub, to be able to really relax and unwind after a day of exploration. Welcome to the Silver Suite. Well, it's called Silver Suite for a reason. It's one of our most popular suites, where you have not only ample spaces, but your butler will serve a wonderful meal. And of course, you have a fantastic balcony, which is more than 130 square feet itself. Here we are in the owner's suite. As you see, our beautiful Italian tailor-made furniture is still on the way, but we already have some great artworks with pictures from Steve McCurry. And of course, you can say you're basically ready to sail when the coffee machine is on board. So now let's go and explore another very interesting area of this beautiful suite. And here is the beautiful bedroom, but I would say that the best is still to come, so follow me. And with almost 1,000 square feet altogether, of course the coronation of this amazing suite is really the master bath. Not only we have a double sink, but there's a beautiful whirlpool, and what else can our guests cherish more than a wonderful hot bath after a day of exploration? And from the very front of Silver Moon, here we are in the Grand Suite. Not only one of the most beautiful, but one of the largest suites on board of this beautiful ship. The balcony itself is over 600 square feet. Look at this gorgeous bedroom. And of course, the best is always here. One of the largest walk-in closets of the fleet and an amazing bathroom with double sink, shower, and full bathtub.